Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Chauhan and in this lecture we are going to cover exercise 2.3 question number 1 and question number 2. Question number 1 we have to find the division and question number 2 we have to find the reciprocal for each of the fraction and then we have to classify each of the reciprocal is proper, improper and whole numbers. Question number 1 we have to find the division. First 12 divided by 3 by 4. Starting from the division line, write left side above the division and right side below the division line, that is 12 and 3 by 4. Now for all the fraction send denominator to the opposite side, that is 12 as it is, 3 as it is, send 4 on the opposite side of division line, that is equals to 4 into 4 is 16. Second 14 divided by 5 by 6. Starting from the division sign, write left side above the division line, right side below the division line, that is 14 and 5 by 6 below the division line. Now for all the fractions send denominator to the opposite side of division line, that is 14, 5 as it is, and send 6 above the division line, that is equals to 84 divided by 5. Third 8 divided by 7 by 3. Starting from the division line, write left side above the division line and right side below the division line. Now for all the fractions send denominator to the opposite side of division line, that is 8 as it is, 7 as it is, send 3 above the division line and 8 3s are 24 by 7 is answer. Fourth 4 divided by 8 by 3. Starting from the division sign, write left side above the division sign and right side below the division sign, that is 4 and 8 by 3 below the division sign. Now send denominator of the fraction on the opposite side of division line, that is 4 as it is, 8 as it is, send 3, that is denominator, to the opposite side, that is equals to 3 by 2 is the answer. Fifth 3 divided by 2 whole 1 by 3. For the mixed fraction, similar way, that is starting from the division line, write left side above the division line and right side below the division line. Now we have to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction, that is a whole b by c, to improper fraction, that is a into c plus b divided by c, that is 3 to the 6 plus 1 7 by 3. Now for the fraction send the denominator to the opposite side of division line, that is 3 as it is, 7 as it is, send 3 to the opposite side, that is equals to 9 by 7. And last sixth 5 divided by 3 whole 4 by 7, that is equals to, starting from the division sign, write left side above the division line and right side below the division line, we have to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction, that is a into c plus b and denominator as it is, that is equals to 5 divided by 7 3 is 21 plus 4 is 25 divided by 7. Now for all the fractions, send the denominator to the opposite side of division line, that is equals to 5 divided by 25 and send 7 above the division line. 5 5 is 25 and 7 by 5 is the answer. Now question number 2. Question number 2, we have to find the reciprocal of each of the fraction if the fraction, let's say a divided by b is the fraction, then reciprocal, that is equals to 1 divided by the fraction, that is a divided by b, and send the denominator to the opposite side, that is b divided by a. We have to replace the numerator and denominator, that will be the reciprocal of the given fraction. So starting from the first, 3 divided by 7 reciprocal equals to 7 divided by 3, and this is the improper fraction. Second, 5 divided by 8 and reciprocal will be 8 divided by 5, and this is also improper fraction. Third is 9 divided by 7, reciprocal will be 7 divided by 9, and this is proper fraction because the numerator is less than denominator. Fourth is 6 divided by 5, the reciprocal will be 5 divided by 6, and this is also proper fraction. Fifth, 12 divided by 7, reciprocal will be 7 divided by 12, and this is proper fraction. 1 divided by 8, reciprocal will be 8 divided by 1, or we can write 8, and 8 is the whole number. Last, 7th is 1 divided by 11, the reciprocal will be 11 divided by 1, that is equals to 11, and this is whole number. Now to categorize all these numbers in proper, improper and whole number, two whole number, that is 8 and 11, proper fraction are 3, that is 7 by 9, 5 by 6 and 7 by 12. Seven by 9, 5 by 6 and 7 by 12, and two improper fraction, that is 7 by 3 and 8 by 5. 7 by 3 and 8 by 5. 7 by 3 and 8 by 5 are improper fraction. 7 by 9, 5 by 6 and 7 by 12 are proper fraction, and 8 and 11 are whole numbers. In next lecture we will see exercise 2.3, question number 3 and question number 4. Thank you.